In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use drag and drop in Notion. Welcome back, and thanks for watching. In this tutorial, I will show you how to quickly reorganize your content inside Notion without copying, pasting, or creating unnecessary clutter. This simple feature can save you a lot of time and helps keep your workspace clean, flexible, and easy to manage as your pages grow. Drag and drop works for text, headings, lists, images, and most other blocks you will see on a Notion page. To get started, open Notion in your browser and make sure you are signed in so you can see your workspace. Once you are logged in, open the page that contains the content you want to rearrange. You can use an existing page or any page where you want to improve the layout. Think of a Notion page as a collection of blocks stacked on top of each other. Each paragraph, heading, checklist, or image is its own block. Drag and drop allows you to pick up any of these blocks and move them exactly where you want. Start by locating the specific content you want to move. Hover your mouse over that block and look to the left side of it. As you hover, a small handle will appear. It usually looks like 6 dots stacked vertically. This is the handle you will use to move the block. Place your cursor directly on that handle, then click and hold. While holding the mouse button, begin dragging the block. As you move it, Notion will show you a thin blue line between blocks. This blue line is important because it shows you exactly where the block will be placed when you let go. Slowly move the block up or down the page until the blue line is positioned where you want the content to go. If your page uses columns or has nested content, you can move your cursor slightly left or right while dragging. This helps you place the block inside a column or under a toggle section. When everything looks right, release the mouse to drop the block into place. If you need to move something a long distance, keep holding the block and move your cursor toward the top or bottom of the screen. Notion will automatically scroll for you. If the block does not land exactly where you want, that is completely fine. Just grab the handle again and drag it to adjust the position. Make sure you are always grabbing the handle and not selecting the text itself, or you will end up highlighting instead of moving the block. With a bit of practice, you will be rearranging pages in seconds and keeping everything neat and organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.